Welcome to Hocify, your one-stop shop for e-commerce solutions. Hey everyone, it's Max. I get it. You're just like me, right? You jumped into the exciting world of dropshipping, ready to build your own business empire. But then, wham, you hit that same brick wall I did, shipping costs that seemed to swallow your profits whole. I felt like I was on a sinking ship. Every sale felt like a loss. I had to find solutions, and fast. So, I took a deep breath, cleared my schedule. Basically, I locked myself away, dedicated 3 full days to research and experimentation, and emerged with a 5-point plan to slash my shipping costs and boost my bottom line. Now, before I dive into the details, let me be clear. I'm no expert. I'm just a regular dude who was determined to make his dropshipping dream work. And guess what? It worked. I managed to significantly reduce my shipping costs and, as a result, increased my profitability. So, if you're facing the same shipping cost struggle, don't despair. You don't need a fancy degree or a team of experts. What you do need is the willingness to learn, a little bit of courage, and a plan. And that's exactly what I'm here to offer. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share 5 practical steps I discovered on my $1 million weekend that can help you conquer high shipping costs and take your dropshipping business to the next level. These steps are simple, easy to implement, and can make a huge difference in your bottom line. So, grab a pen and paper or your favorite note-taking app, because it's time to unleash the cost-cutting ninja within you. Let's go. Please note, after the story, if you missed something, please check out the description to access the transcript for more details on our website, hocify.com, and join my newsletter to receive actionable content and e-commerce tips weekly. No spam ever, I promise. All right. Let's dive into the first step of my cost-conquering strategy, packing like a pro. I know, it might not sound exciting, but trust me, it's a game changer. Think about it this way. Imagine you're shipping a pair of sunglasses. You grab a giant cardboard box, fill it with air pillows, and then carefully nestle the sunglasses in the middle. Sounds familiar, right? Well, the problem is, all that empty space means you're paying to ship air, not your actual product. Here's what I did differently. First, I took a close look at each product I was selling. For the sunglasses, instead of the oversized box, I found a sleek, custom-sized cardboard box that fit the product perfectly. This doesn't have to be expensive. There are plenty of online suppliers who offer customizable packaging at reasonable prices. Now, some products might be a bit trickier. For example, imagine you're selling fragile mugs. You can't just use a flimsy envelope, right? But bulky packaging adds weight and drives up shipping costs. In this case, I found eco-friendly, form-fitting packaging materials that cushioned the mugs without adding unnecessary weight. These materials are often made from recycled paper or plant-based alternatives and are a win-win for both the environment and your budget. Remember, every gram counts when it comes to shipping costs. By rethinking your packaging and finding space-saving, lightweight alternatives, you can significantly reduce your shipping expenses. It's like finding hidden treasure in your own inventory. But wait, there's more. This step isn't just about saving money. It's also about creating a positive customer experience. When your customers receive their products in neat, well-protected packaging, it shows that you care about their satisfaction. It's a small detail that can make a big difference. So, the next time you're packing an order, ask yourself, is this the most efficient way to ship this product? By taking the time to optimize your packaging, you'll be well on your way to conquering those high shipping costs and building a thriving dropshipping business. All right, step 2 in our cost-cutting journey, embracing the carrier comparison challenge. Now, before I started this whole adventure, I was using just one shipping carrier, and let's just say I wasn't exactly getting the best deals. Here's the thing, different carriers have different strengths. One might offer the fastest delivery times, while another might specialize in cost-effective options for lightweight packages. The key is to find the carrier that best suits your needs for each specific order. But comparing rates manually can be a real headache. Thankfully, there are online tools called shipping management platforms that can be your secret weapon in this battle. These platforms allow you to compare rates from various carriers in real time. You simply enter the weight, dimensions, and destination of your package, and the platform displays quotes from different carriers side by side. It's like having all the options laid out on a table. You can easily compare prices, delivery times, and even trackable versus non-trackable options. This way, you can choose the most cost-effective option for each individual order, regardless of its size or destination. But here's the secret sauce. Don't just stick to the big names. While established carriers like UPS or FedEx are reliable choices, explore smaller regional carriers or those specializing in specific types of shipments. You might be surprised to find hidden gems offering competitive rates and excellent service. Remember, the goal of the Carrier Comparison Challenge is to find the best value for your money. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different carriers to see who consistently offers the best rates for your specific needs. By taking the time to compare rates and explore your options, you can unlock significant savings on your shipping costs. It's like finding a magic lamp with a money-saving genie inside, waiting to be unleashed. So, next time you're ready to ship an order, don't just mindlessly choose the first carrier that comes to mind. Embrace the challenge, compare your options, and watch your shipping costs shrink. All right, dropshippers, buckle up because this next step requires a bit of courage, embracing your inner negotiation ninja. This might sound intimidating, but hear me out. Negotiating with shipping carriers can be a powerful tool for securing even better rates. Remember how I mentioned finding hidden gems amongst smaller carriers in the previous step? Well, this step is about leveraging your growing business volume to unlock even more hidden treasures. Once you've established a consistent shipping volume with a specific carrier, you have the power to negotiate. Explain your projected growth, your average order value, and your commitment to using their services. Carriers are always looking for loyal customers who bring them consistent business. By demonstrating your potential value, you can open the door to better rates. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a smooth-talking salesperson, but there are some key things to remember. Be polite and professional. Treat the carrier representative with respect, and they'll be more likely to work with you. Do your research. Know the average rates for your type of shipments and be prepared to present your case with data. Be willing to compromise. You might not get everything you ask for, but be open to finding a mutually beneficial agreement. Don't be afraid to walk away. If the carrier isn't willing to offer a reasonable rate, don't be afraid to thank them for their time and explore other options. Remember, negotiating doesn't have to be stressful. It's simply about communicating your value and finding a win-win situation for both you and the carrier. By honing your negotiation skills, you can potentially unlock significant savings on your shipping costs. It's like learning a secret code that grants you access to a treasure trove of discounts. So, don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and watch your negotiation skills blossom. However, it's important to be realistic and patient. Building trust and negotiating better rates takes time and consistent business volume. But trust me, the potential savings are worth the effort. So, keep shipping, keep growing, and remember, with a little courage and communication, you can become a true negotiation ninja. All right, dropshippers, let's talk about the elephant in the room, shipping costs. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't the whole point to hide them and offer free shipping? Well, not necessarily. Here's why. Remember how I was emphasizing building trust with both carriers and customers? Transparency plays a crucial role in both aspects. While completely hiding shipping costs might seem tempting, it can ultimately damage your customer relationships. Here's the thing. Most customers expect to pay for shipping. By trying to mask these costs completely, you might create a sense of distrust when they see the final price at checkout. It can feel like a bait-and-switch tactic, leaving a bad taste in their mouth. Instead, I implemented a transparent pricing strategy. This means clearly displaying the shipping costs to the customer up front, either as a separate charge or by offering free shipping above a certain order value. Now, let's talk about that free shipping option. It might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. By offering free shipping above a specific purchase amount, you incentivize customers to spend more. This can lead to higher average order values, which can offset the cost of free shipping and even boost your overall profitability. But there's more to it than just numbers. Offering free shipping creates a positive perception of your brand. It shows customers that you're willing to go the extra mile to provide a good experience. This builds trust and loyalty, which are vital for any successful business. Here are some ways to implement a transparent pricing strategy. Clearly display shipping costs on your product pages and checkout process. Offer free shipping above a certain order value and communicate this clearly. Provide different shipping options with varying costs and delivery times to cater to different customer preferences. By being transparent about your shipping costs, you build trust with your customers and create a positive shopping experience. It's like offering them a window into your business, fostering a sense of understanding and collaboration. Remember, happy customers are loyal customers, and that's the key to long-term success in the dropshipping world. All right, dropshippers, we've reached the final step in our cost-conquering journey, embracing automation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't dropshipping already automated? Well, yes, to an extent. But there's always room for improvement, and automation can be your secret weapon when it comes to streamlining your shipping process and saving precious time and money. Remember how I mentioned manually comparing shipping rates in the second step? That can be a real-time consuming hassle, especially as your business grows. Here's where automation comes in. There are software solutions called shipping management platforms that can automate the entire shipping process. These platforms integrate seamlessly with your online store and do the heavy lifting for you. Here's how. Automatic rate calculation. Simply enter the product details and destination, and the software instantly displays rates from multiple carriers in real time. Automated label printing. Once you choose the best option, the platform automatically generates and prints the shipping label, saving you valuable time and frustration. Inventory management. Some platforms even integrate with your inventory management system, automatically updating stock levels and ensuring you always have the necessary information to fulfill orders accurately. By automating your shipping process, you free up valuable time and resources to focus on other aspects of your business, like marketing, customer service, and product development. It's like having an invisible assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring your orders are shipped quickly and efficiently. But the benefits of automation go beyond just saving time. It also minimizes errors in the shipping process. Manual data entry can lead to mistakes, like incorrect addresses or shipping options. Automation eliminates this human error, ensuring your orders reach their destination smoothly and efficiently. Now, I understand that investing in software might sound daunting, but here's the thing. Many platforms offer free trials or tiered plans that cater to different business sizes and budgets. Explore the options, find one that fits your needs, and watch your efficiency soar. Remember, embracing automation isn't about replacing yourself. It's about empowering yourself to focus on the strategic aspects of your business while the software handles the repetitive tasks. It's like giving yourself superpowers to manage your dropshipping empire with greater ease and efficiency. So, don't be afraid to explore the world of automation. It could be the key to unlocking a new level of efficiency and success in your dropshipping journey. All right, folks, we've reached the end of our journey. As we wrap things up, let's solidify the key takeaways you can use to conquer high shipping costs in your own dropshipping business. 1. Become a packing pro. Ditch the oversized boxes and embrace space-saving, lightweight packaging that fits your products perfectly. Remember, every gram counts. 2. Embrace the carrier comparison challenge. Don't settle for the first carrier you come across. Use shipping management platforms to compare rates and find the most cost-effective option for each order. Explore different options, including smaller regional carriers, to unlock hidden gems. 3. Channel your inner negotiation ninja. As your business grows, don't be afraid to negotiate better rates with carriers. Communicate your value and potential growth, and be prepared to strike a mutually beneficial deal. 4. Transparency is key. Build trust with your customers by being upfront about shipping costs. Offer free shipping above a certain order value to incentivize spending and create a positive perception of your brand. 5. Unleash the efficiency machine. Embrace automation to streamline your shipping process. Invest in shipping management platforms that automatically calculate rates, print labels, and manage inventory, freeing up your time and minimizing errors. Remember, these are just 5 actionable steps to get you started. The key to success is to continually learn, adapt, and experiment to find what works best for your specific business. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce your shipping costs and boost your bottom line. Take control, conquer those shipping challenges, and watch your dropshipping business thrive. And hey, if you have any questions or need some further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to help fellow dropshippers on their journey to success. And please show your support, like and subscribe. Again, if you missed anything during the story, check out the description to access the transcript for more details on our website, Hocify.com. and join my newsletter to receive actionable content and e-commerce tips weekly. No spam ever, I promise. Share your thoughts in the comments to gain deep insights. Let's foster e-commerce skills together.